That was a nice jam, nice series of jams for them.